Understanding education loans options. Education loans options are like financial companions designed to help students and their families cover the costs of advanced studies. We have 3 categories for study abroad loan options. Number 1. INR banks. Number 2. US cosigner banks. Number 3. Non-cosigner banks. INR banks. Loan eligibility for NBFC banks. Residency requirement. You must be a resident of India to qualify for these bank loans. Work experience poses at least 1 year of work experience to apply. Age requirement. An applicant must be at least 20 years of age. Fast approval and processing. Loans from these banks are approved and processed quickly. Self-employment option. If you work for yourself, you can apply if your income meets specific criteria set by the best loan provider in India. Excellent customer service. These special banks are known for providing exceptional customer service during and after loan approval. Minimal documentation. Unlike traditional banks, as the entire process is online, you won't have to deal with lots of paperwork because easier eligibility. These banks have less strict requirements and checks compared to traditional banks, making them a better choice in emergencies. Loan eligibility for private banks. Personal details. Applicants should be Indian citizens who have completed 12th grade and secured confirmed admission to a recognized institute for a degree or diploma program. Documentary requirements. Various documents are required alongside the loan application. Co-applicants' details. Eligible co-applicants include parents, siblings, spouses, grandparents, and parents-in-law. They must have a steady income and provide appropriate income documentation. Target program. Loans are granted for job-oriented undergraduate and postgraduate degrees. Accepted collateral. The bank accepts residential and commercial properties, agricultural plots, and fixed deposits as collateral. Efficient loan approval. After all necessary documents are submitted, the bank processes and approves the loan within 7 working days. Comprehensive loan coverage. Education loans cover all expenses related to studying abroad, and in exceptional cases, loans exceeding the standard limit may be approved. Loan eligibility for public banks. Nationality requirement. The applicant must hold Indian citizenship. Underage applicants. If the student applying for loan is below 18 years of age, their parents must act as their representatives when applying for the loan. Academic excellence. The applicant should have an outstanding academic track record. Overseas institution acceptance. To be eligible, the applicant must secure admission to a prestigious international college, university, or institution. Technical or professional courses. Banks are more inclined to support programs that equip students for professional careers, so the chosen course should be technical or professional. Educational goals. The applicant's educational aim should be a graduate, postgraduate, or postgraduate qualification. Academic records influence. A strong academic history expedites the loan approval process. Full-time student requirement. Co-applicants with a reliable source of income are required for full-time students, and these co-applicants can include parents, guardians, spouses, or in-laws for married applicants. US cosigner banks. Loan eligibility for US cosigner banks. Cosigner eligibility. The cosigner typically embodies US citizenship or holds the esteemed permanent resident card, accompanied by a residency in the US spanning a minimum of 2 years. Responsibility sharing. The cosigner will share equal responsibility for the loan options. Repayment assurance. In case of any default or late payment scenario, there will be the immediate person to repay the loan. Income and eligibility. Income should be substantial, and liabilities should be minimal to secure competitive rates. Credit score requirement. A good credit score, typically above 650, is necessary. Source of earnings. There should be a source of earning and income. Minimal documentation. No documents are required from the cosigner. No cosigner banks. Loan eligibility for no cosigner banks. Credit history. Some lenders may require a strong credit history from the student borrower. This means having a good credit score and a positive credit record. Academic enrollment. The student must be enrolled in an eligible educational institution abroad and pursuing a recognized course or degree program. Visa status. Students must possess the necessary visa status to study in the host country. Income or financial stability. Some lenders may assess the student's ability to repay the loan independently based on their income or financial stability. Loan amount. The loan amount sought should align with the lender's specified limits for non-cosigner loans. Common eligibility requirements. Eligibility for the loan options necessitates Indian residency as a prerequisite. Getting into a higher education program, whether it's in India or abroad, often depends on passing entrance exams. Aspiring candidates must comfortably fit within a predefined age spectrum, generally spanning from 18 to 35 years, to fulfill the criteria for securing an education loan option. The chosen course of study should inherently bear a career-centric orientation to align with the loan prerequisites.